Welcome to today's unboxing. We have the Hryfine Smartwatch, a feature-packed smart wearable designed for fitness and everyday convenience. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the package, we have the smartwatch itself, securely placed, along with a charging cable, a user manual, and a QR code for the app download. The packaging is neat and sturdy, ensuring the watch reaches you in perfect condition. Now, let's take a closer look at this smartwatch. Build and design, the Hryfine Smartwatch comes with a sleek and modern design, making it comfortable for both casual and fitness wear. The adjustable strap fits perfectly on any wrist, and the vibrant display provides clear visibility even in daylight. It has a stylish yet lightweight build, making it easy to wear all day long. Features and functions, this smartwatch is packed with advanced features to make your daily life easier. Let's go through them one by one. Health and fitness tracking. It accurately counts your steps, calculates distance traveled, and tracks calories burned during the day. The built-in heart rate monitor keeps track of your heartbeat in real time. Blood pressure monitoring helps you stay aware of your health. Sleep monitoring provides insights into your sleep patterns for better rest. The sedentary reminder alerts you to move if you've been inactive for too long. Multiple exercise modes track different workout types to help you achieve your fitness goals. Smart connectivity. The Bluetooth call function allows you to make and receive calls directly from your watch, get short message reminders and social app notifications instantly, control your favorite tunes with Bluetooth music playback, stay on schedule with the intelligent alarm clock. The Raise Hand Bright Screen feature lights up the display when you lift your wrist. With the Find My Bracelet and Find My Phone features, you never have to worry about losing your devices. Capture moments easily with the Shake to Take Photos function, customization and app support. The smartwatch comes with a variety of wallpaper and watch face options, letting you personalize your look. It supports a dedicated mobile app, easily downloadable by scanning the QR code in the box. The Hryfine Smartwatch is an all-in-one fitness and lifestyle companion. Whether you're tracking your workouts, monitoring your health, or staying connected with calls and notifications, this smartwatch does it all. If you're looking for an affordable yet feature-packed smartwatch, this one is definitely worth checking out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews. See you in the next video. Now let's quickly assemble the straps. 1. Take the 2 straps from the box. 2. Align the strap connectors with the slots on the watch. 3. Gently slide them in until you hear a click. That means they are securely attached, and that's it. The straps are now set, and the watch is ready to wear. Next, let's see how to charge the smartwatch. 1. Take the magnetic charging cable from the box. 2. Align the charging pins on the cable with the charging port on the back of the watch. 3. The magnetic connection will automatically snap into place. 4. Plug the USB end into a power adapter or a laptop. Once connected, the smartwatch screen will show the charging icon, indicating that it's charging successfully. That's it for today's unboxing and setup guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews. See you in the next video.